Yeah, so we will use a website called code.org, and there are a lot of courses that we have configured for our little ones. So they can take the courses and enjoy the programming, right? So I will start right away with the one program. So what I've done is we have already gone into the program course B, and I will share this detail as to how we do it. And I will share the full process as to how to log in, how do they start using these programs, and how would they do this, the whole process. So I will share that separately on the WhatsApp group. Right now, I will just run them through with one of the course, and they can take additional courses. There are 7 courses they can take, one course a week. So if they take one course in a week, in the next 7 weeks, they will be able to do a lot of the programs with this. Okay. So children, you see this on the left side of the screen, a small piggy, and he has to snap the bird. The angry bird has to reach the piggy. All right. So that is a game, right? That we will play. Okay. So in this, you tell me how many times the bird has to jump to reach the piggy. How many times?
One.
Sorry?
One.
Right.
I can see it.
Yes.
One.
So
One.
yes.
One.
Yes. One time.
One.
One time only, one time only, one time only. Yeah, you have to speak only once, all right, when I ask you this, all right. Now see this, I have attached this arrow one time only, all right. I have attached this arrow one time and I will test it now. Let us see what happens. See this, whether the angry bird is able to reach the piggy or not. Like it? Show me thumbs up. Show me thumbs up. Everybody like it? Okay, very good. Now I will go to the new game. All right, the next one.
Sir, I want to do this.
Okay, please wait. You have to first think. Don't answer. First, you have to think about it. All right. So, Angry Bird has to read.
Two, sir.
Yes. So,
Take two arrow.
see, you have to tell your parents. All right. You can tell your parents how it would reach. All of you can answer to your parents. Don't unmute and just show me thumbs up if you are saying it right. When I run the program, just show me your answer was correct or not. All right. Now the angry bird has to reach the piggy again, right? So how many blocks he has to jump? Show me with the fingers how many times he has to jump. Yes, all of you are showing 2 times left jump. All right, so 1 time and 2 times, right? I have done that, right? Now I'm running it. Thumbs up, all your answers were correct. Very good, very good. Now let us see the next step. Now what happens? Okay, so in the next step, okay, listen, the next step is the angry bird is here and he has to reach here. All right. So he has to jump one block here, second block here, and then what? Then one block up, one block up, right? Yeah. So he has to jump 3 blocks. See that he will go first right, one more right, and then it will go one. So 2 times he will go east, 2 times east and 1 time north. North is always up. Remember that. North is up and south is down, right? So let us see this whether it is correct or not. All right. Got it? Show me thumbs up. Is it correct? Show me thumbs up, everybody. Very good. Good job. Now I will give a little bit more complex problems. All right. So I will give little bit complex problem. Now in this, the bird is up and the piggy is down, right? So now what I would do, raise your hands and then I will ask only one child. All right. Okay, Hrisha, unmute yourself. What should I do?
Wait.
Unmute yourself.
अब मत कर.
Yes. Tell me, what should I do?
What should I do?
We will आपको
Very good. We will go.
पिग्गी को एंग्री के पास पहुंचा दो.
How?
Correct. So angry bird will go towards the piggies.
3 steps चलो 3.
Very good. So he will go 3 steps. So one down. All right. One down and then west towards the left turn. Right. He will take the left. How many times he will take the left? 1 time or 2 times?
2 times.
Very good. Super. Fantastic. Mute your lines.
Mute yourself.
Good job. Everybody happy now? Show me thumbs up. Everybody is okay? Any confusion? Anybody? Very good. If you keep showing me thumbs up, then I will know you are getting it. All right. If you're not getting it, then you show me thumbs down. All right. Very good. And you can, all of you can answer to your parents. Okay. Don't unmute. All right. Okay. Good job. Now this one, and I will increase the complexity as we go. All right. And the complex and problems will be complex. All right. So now tell me, what should I do? Raise your hands. I will ask one child, Ruhi. Ruhi, tell me, what should I do? Unmute yourself.
The angry bird should go to the piggy.
Yes, how it should go? How many steps right? How many steps I should take?
2.
2 steps right. All right. Let us try to take 1 right, 2 right. Okay. And then
1 down.
1 down. Very good. Let us try this. Can I try to test it now?
Yes, please.
Okay. All right. Perfect. Good job. All right. And then I will mute your lines now quickly. Mute your lines now. I will give little easy problem. This is bit easier. All right. Now who will tell me? Anvi, you will tell me. What should I do?
North.
North. Very good. So if I go north, let us see what happens. If I go north, is it correct? Should I go north?
No.
ऊपर जाना है
Okay.
No.
If I
कौन
go
सा
north,
है?
let us see what happens. Let us see what happens. He will break his hand. Okay, he will break his hand if I go north. Okay, tell me, what should I do now?
आउट हो गया फिर देखो
No
एंग्री बर्ड मर गए
So no problem.
नॉट बोलना तो टकरा गया ना
Mute your lines. Nothing happens. You can correct your answer. That is okay. Can be wrong sometimes. That's okay. Now tell me, Anvi,
देखो कैसे ईस्ट ये ईस्ट वेस्ट वेस्ट कितनी बार टाइम जाना है
parent, let them answer. They will figure it out. Yes.
वन से वो ये एम्प्टी स्पेस में आ जाएगा या पे आ
Okay, no
जाएगा
worries. No worries. All right.
टू जंप करने हैं ना
Good job, Anvi. Very good. Okay. Let us test it now. Everybody is okay with this? Show me thumbs up. Everybody is okay? All right. Okay. Now, okay. Now I will give you little complex problems. All right. Everybody sit, stay away from the camera a little bit. I don't want you to stay so near. I can't play like that. All right, be away from the camera. Sanvi, be away from the camera. Keep the distance. Very good. Don't come so much near, otherwise I can't do it. Okay. Very good. And close your eyes in between. You don't have to focus so much on this. All right. Okay. Now, this is little difficult problems. All right. Now, who will tell me the answer for this? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Who want to answer it? Right. Okay. Hold on. Somebody is raising the hands. Okay. Arav, tell me, what should I do? Arav, unmute yourself. Yes, tell me, what should I do? 3 steps. All right, let us do 3 steps. So Angry Bird has to go to the piggy. 1, 2, and 3 steps. Very good. Now, okay, very good. Now, I will tell you one trick here. Okay, I will tell you one trick here. So in this trick, what I will do, I will remove this 3 times 3 arrows. All right, I will take this pink color here. Okay, and I will put only one of this here. Okay, what I did, I will say I will do this step 3 times. I will repeat this 3 times. What I will do, I will repeat going left 3 times. Is that correct? Can I try this now? Can I try? All right. Okay, let us try to see whether it works or not works, whether the Angry Bird is able to reach there or not. Very good. So you can do a repeat statement if there is something that you want to repeat. All right. Okay, now who will tell me? This is a bit complex. Who will tell me this? Okay, who will tell me this? Raise your hands and then I will ask you. Okay, Shreya Joshi, tell me, what should I do?
3 down.
3 down. Can I use this pink color block? Can I use that?
No.
No? Okay, all right. Let us do this 3 times down. All right, 1, 2, and 3. All right. And let us test. 2. Good. Good job. Now, what I will do, I will show you with the block. Okay, what I will do, I will show you with this one. All right. So I will put only one statement here, and I will put this down here. So read this, what is written here, repeat down 3 times. This is 3 times, right? I selected this 3 times. So what will happen? The computer will run this 3 times. So I don't have to put 3 arrows 3 times, right? I have to put only 1 arrow, and I have to say how many times it should repeat. Let us test it. What happens? Got it? It worked? Very good. Now let me tell you give you a little difficult problem. Okay. Now who will try to solve this one? Raise your hands. Dwanil, tell me, what should I do? I don't know. What should I do? Tell me.
Down, down.
How many times? Think about it.
3.
3 times. The rest all you can tell your parents. All right. So 3 times I have done down. Now what should I do? All of you can tell your parents. All right. Okay. Now what should I do? 3 times down and then left. Okay. I'll do the left also. Okay. Let us test it. Okay, now I want you to think, what should I do to reduce this 3 arrows together? There are 3 times I am repeating one arrow, right? Repeat.
3 times.
Very good. So I will put this here and I will take out this one and I will do it like this. Is this correct? Will it
Yes.
work? Will it
Yes.
work? Okay, let us test whether it works or not. It worked. Very good. Okay. Now, who will tell me? Raise your hands. Pragati, you already told? Okay, tell me, Pragati, what should I do? Rest all you can tell your parents. Tell your parents what is the right thing to do. Pragati, raise your unmute yourself. Unmute, beta, unmute yourself. You're not able to unmute. Yes, what should I do? You are muted again. Okay, I think some problem with that. Advita, you want to tell me what should I do? You want to try? You can unmute.
Sing it.
No.
No, okay. Shaurya, you want to say? Okay, say it, unmute yourself.
Say it,
Stay
Shaurya.
back here.
Wait.
1 step to the north and 2 steps to the east. Yeah.
2 step to the east. All right. Very good. 2 step to the east.
We cannot use this pink thing.
We can use the pink. I will tell you how to use it.
Okay.
First, let us test it. Now I will tell you how to use it. All right, so how to
That's
use
a funny game.
Okay, so how to use this pink thing is that I will use this and make this number 2. Okay, and I will use this here. Is this correct now, Shaurya? Show me thumbs up if it is correct. Can I do it like that? I've changed this repeat 2 times and 1 time I have put this arrow. So let us see. Advita, you got it? Any confusion? Advita, show me thumbs up. Very good. Any confusion? Sorry, you're not getting it? Tell me what is the issue? Sorry?
No, sir.
Oh, okay, I will tell you. Okay. Now in this problem, Advita, listen to me. In this problem, this red bird, all right, red bird has to reach his friend Piggy. All right. So how he will do? He will jump 1 step straight, right? Think about it. So how many steps he has to go? 1, 2, 3, and 1 below. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me now what should be the arrow I take? How many times I should take this arrow? This arrow how many? 3 times. Very good. Very good. 1, 2, and 3. And now which arrow I should take to reach this guy?
S.
S. Very good. S is south. All right, so I'll go 3 times east. 1 block east, 1, 2 block east, 3 block east, and then 1 south. All right, to reach my friend. All right. In this, when somebody tell me what should I correct it here? What should I do? Sanvi, you want to tell me what should I do here? What is the,
Yes.
tell me what should I correct it here? How should I reduce this lines, number of arrows 3 times?
Pink.
Pink, yes, pink block. I will repeat. I will use this 3 repeat and I will put this there. Okay. And I will put this south. All right. Is that okay?
Yes.
All right. So did you enjoy this? Did you all enjoy this? Okay, now sit, close your eyes again for a minute. Close your eyes again and sit properly, shoulder upright, and stay away from your camera and close your eyes and smile. Put your smile. Ashvi, sit properly. I will not play games if you don't listen to me, all right? Everybody close your eyes properly and do not open till I tell you. Take a deep breath in again 3 times. Breathe in, breathe out 3 times. Take air as much as you can. Push it yourself. Very good. Just take as much as air as you can. Very good. Super. Count 3 times. Okay, very good. Good job. Very nice. Good job. Very good. Now drink water, everybody. Pick up a glass of water. Pick up a glass of water and drink water a little bit as much as you can. And okay. Okay. Very good. Did you like this session? Okay. Now, you want to play some more games? You want to play some games? Okay, very good. Now, let me tell you, we will play some different game now, okay? I will share these details with your parents and they can help you to log in, all right? And then you can do it on your own, okay? Okay, now, okay. So in this game, all right, we have to jump one number, okay? We have to jump one number in this, okay? We will start with this number, okay? We will start with 2 and you have to tell your parents what is the one number if we jump one number, all right? Okay, you got it? What is the problem that we have to do? What we have to do in this? Show me thumbs up. All right, show me thumbs up if you're getting it. What we have to do? We have to jump one number. Okay, we have to skip one number. Okay, so we will start with 2 and okay, we will start with 2 now and we will go to
4.
4. Then
6.
then
8. 9. 10. 10. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16.
Okay, very good. So, all right. Okay, very good. Now, the next time when you do it at home, all right, what you do, you start from here. Okay, you start from here. 100, 98. Yeah.
189,
No, 100, 90. Okay, hold on. Very good. So you try this at home. Okay, I just wanted to take this demo. All right. When you do this at home, you can write this number 1 to 100 in one line. You have to write 10 numbers and roll your fingers on it, right? 1, 2, 4, and then you have to do with the speed. You can do with the speed also, right? You can do 2, 4, 8, 6. You can make a song like that, and you can do it with the speed. And you can skip one number, then you can skip 2 numbers, you can skip 4 numbers. Likewise, you can increase the number gap, and you can jump like the way we jump 2 steps on the stairs. We can jump 2 numbers here as well, right? You don't have to memorize it. Okay, you have to think and then answer it. You don't have to memorize it. Okay, very good.
Sir, I want to play another game.
Oh, you want to play another game? Which game? Like this?
Sure. Not number 1.
Number 1. Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Not number 1. Game. I want to play talking game.
Okay, listen.
Another game now, sir.
I will tell you. Hold on.
I want to play Simon Says.
Okay, hold on. Okay, I will play. Yes. See, this is a very interesting game. All right.
Yes.
This is a very interesting game. In this, the ship has to reach the treasure out there. You see the treasure below this one? The ship, these people have to reach this treasure below. All right. Now, what you have to do, only listen, it is a very important game. You have to reach this place, but you have to count 5 only. Then only you will be able to reach it. Okay. You have to jump 5 steps at a time. If you make a mistake, you will never be able to reach it. Okay. So listen to this and answer it first thing before you answer. Okay.
18.
Hold on, I will tell you this. When do we do it? Hold on. Okay. So now we will start from here. Okay, this number we will start with. Now, if I add 5 plus 5, where it would go?
15.
5 plus 5. Okay, now plus 5. 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 45. 45 then 55. 60. Am I going correct? Okay. 70 is also here. Okay,
75 and we.
okay, so you get the star for this. You know this bigger star. You got a star for this. You did really good. Okay, you got the star. All of you got this star. See this one.
Oh,
You're happy now? You got
Yeah.
you got a bigger star.
very happy.
Very good. Okay, good job. Now, now our time is over. All right. And what we will do,
Sir, I want to do pigeon board game.
okay, you want to do one more thing? Okay, what comes next? Okay, hold on. What comes next? Think about it before you answer. What comes? Think about it.
Green smiley, blue smiley, yellow smiley, red smiley, blue
Nine and
green spot circle. Oh, yellow.
Okay, you have to mute and then answer to your parents. All right. So you have to think before you answer. So the blue, yellow, red, green, blue, and then what comes? Yellow.
Yellow.
Very good. Similarly, you have to think before you answer. You have to think before you answer. So red, blue, green, red, and then
Yellow.
blue. Very good.
Blue.
Think about this one, the last one. Last one. What will come next? Last one.
Red.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay, what will come here? This one. Which circle? Which circle? This one or this one? Okay. All right. So what? Okay, listen. See what I will do. Listen. What I will do, I will share this on the WhatsApp, and you can enjoy this at home. Okay. I will share few games.